Hi guys! I'm going to my doctor today kasi nag-reschedule ako ng appointment. And hopefully this time, I'm gonna remove my medications already. Hopefully, yung result ng laboratory test are good para hindi na ako mag-maintenance. Guys, oh my God! I'm so tired of taking my medicines, you know. Pero yeah, hopefully. So come with me, I'm going there now. Bayad po. FTI pa. Diba? Consult po kay Dr. Castillo. Balik tawagin na lang po yung number niya mo sa kanya. Hi guys! So bali, babalik na naman ako ng 1 PM guys kasi yung doctor schedule is 1 PM. See ya! Okay, I just got home and babalik na lang ako mamaya ng 1 PM. Hi guys, I am going back to the clinic. And nag-change outfit ako dahil sobrang init. Diba? Yan lang. Ang init. Guys, I'm done and I'm so happy with the result. Hi guys, I'm home and I'm so happy because all my test results are fine. This means that, doctor, I'm gonna stop my medications already. I'm so happy. Wala, hindi na ako iinom, guys. Kasi sobrang baba na daw ng blood pressure ko. Imagine 110/60 na. So, kailangan ko na daw i-stop yung medications ko kasi baka sumobra yung baba. At normal lahat and I'm so happy. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.